So hello friends and followers. So I'm getting toward the end now of what I'm going to do with this Ten-Tech Paragon I amateur radio, but I keep hitting problems with this thing where I might put in some RS-232 and I end up corrupting the memory. The last time I did this, the time got all fouled up and turned to ampersands, and the memory is retained, but the radio wouldn't function on any band. And the only way to cure that is to do a reset. So I'll show you how that works. If the radio is all screwed up, you can do a reset right here. And notice right now I have all the memories in the radio functioning, so I can tune through the memories. If you happen to reset the radio because it gets all screwed up, you lose all your memories. So that would be like hitting this button here and doing a reset. The radio will reset and that's it. Now you're back to having no memories. So if you do a memory tune here, you'll see there's nothing in there. So to combat that, what I did was I made a function here on this Python program to load the memories through RS-232. So you put a list in here of the memory number, the frequency you want, and the mode you want. And so you'll memory 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are memories I use for scanning to see if the band is active. And I guess I could put a tag in here too. In fact, I'm going to add the tag component also, which makes sense. But anyway, that would be really cool. But here's how this will work now. So I can load memories now, and the program simply will go through this list. It'll say for input in mem is this thing here, this list. It'll go through each line and do a split on a space. So when it finds a space, it splits it out. And then basically I'll set the frequency with the frequency here, which is the first column. A delay. I'll set the mode, which is column 2, which is USB or AM or whatever. And I'll set the memory with a set memory function here. Little set memory function here simply will make this into a string memory number. It will go into memory write mode. And then we take that number, which is now a string, and we take the first character. We set the first character, write it, and the last character, write it, and we're all done. So let's run the program and watch what it does. It's kind of fun. We're going to run the program here, and here's the radio. And that's it. Now the memories are all set. So if I want to come over here and see what's going on with the band, do memory tune, I can hit this button here. And now I can just walk through the memories because they're all loaded up and see what happens. So I want to get the tag here working too. It would make sense to put a tag in for these. I had a tag in before, and I reset the radio and lost the tag. So I'm going to modify the program now to put in the tag on what these channels are. Okay, thanks for watching. And again, this is how to update your memories on your Paragon I using an RS-232 program made from Python on Mac OS. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.